Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the math questions of CLAT. Now, in the CLAT examination, the pattern of the question is different from the other examinations. So here we will discuss the question of the maths which is asked in the CLAT examination. Now the questions are simple, not very tough, but we have to understand the question first. If we can understand the question, then we can easily solve the question. Now, so the first question is that as per a survey conducted in a college, out of the total students enrolled, 3,000 in 2020-21. So total number of students in a college is 3,000. 1,700 were girls and 1,300 were boys. Data regarding students opt for the various streams, non-medical, medical, commerce, art, fine arts, shows that 25% of the enrolled students opt for non-medical and percentage of girls in non-medical is 30%. So total number of students enrolled in the non-medical is 25%, but the girls is 30% of the total number of girls. Here, 25% is the total number of students, but 30% of number of total girls. Here, 30% of the girls, and here 25% of the total number of students. After that, 15% of the total student, 15% of total student opt for the medical. And the percentage of girls who opt for the medical was 18% of the total number of girls. Clear? This line is very important. Here, 15% of the total student and 18% of total number of girls. Similarly, 25% of the total students opt for the art, but percentage of girls opt for the art 15% of the total number of girls. This line is very important. 16% of the total student opt for the commerce and the percentage of girls who opt commerce was 17% of the total number of girls, and 19% of the total student opt for the fine arts and the percentage of girls who opt for the fine art was 20% of the total number of girls. Question is very simple. First of all, we have to read all the question, and after that we will try to solve the question. Question is not tough. Now, total number of students is 3,000. We will distribute it 3,000 students into two parts, number of boys and girls. Here. And there are different streams are there. 1 second. We will solve it with different streams. How many streams are there? Non-medical, medical, commerce, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Streams are there. Here. First of all, there is a non-medical. Non-medical. After that, medical, commerce, art, and fine arts. Clear? Now, so total number of students is 3,000. Total student. Now, and boys are 1,700 girls and 1,300 boys. Boys 1,300 and girls 1,700. Okay. Now we will start the question. Fine arts. 25% of the enrolled students opt for the non-medical. First of all, we will remove this part. so that we can easily solve these type of questions. Now, so we will start. 25% of the enrolled students or for the non-medical. So 25% of what? 25% of 3,000. They are asking for the total number of students. So total number of students is 3,000 and 25% opt for the non-medical. So 25%. Now in the left hand side, 25% of 3,000. So 25 upon 100, we will write 25 upon 100 into 3,000, which is equal to 750. So 750 students enrolled in the non-medical. And the percentage of girls in non-medical was 30% of the total number of girls. Total number of girls is 1,700. And 30% of 1,700, which is equal to 510. Number of girls enrolled in non-medical is 510 and total number of students is 750. 510 are girls and total number of students enrolled in non-medical is 750. So number of boys will be 750 minus 530, which is equal to 240. So 240 are the boys and 510 are the girls. Next. %15 of the total student opt for the medical. 15%. 15% of what? 15% of 3,000. Clear? Which is equal to 450. Total in medical is 450. And the percentage of girls who opt for the medical was 18%. So 18% for what? 18% of number of girls, 1,700. So 18% of 1,700, which is equal to 255. Sorry, not 255. When we multiply by these numbers, 18 upon 100 into 1,700, which is equal to 306. 18% of 700, which is equal to 306. In medical, number of girls is 306. Total number of student 450. 450 minus 306, which is equal to 144. Clear? Number of boys in the medical 144, girls is 306. Now come to the next one. 18%. 25% of the total student opt for arts. But percentage of girls who opt for the arts is 15%. 25%. 25% of 3,000, which is equal to 750. Now, so 750 students opt for the art, sorry, not commerce. Opt for arts. Total number of students 750. But the percentage of girls who opt for the art 15%. 15% of what? 15% of 1,700. Clear? It is not the total number of students, but 15% of 1,700, which is equal to 255. And total number of students 750. 750 minus 255, which is equal to 495. Total number of boys in art is 495, but girls is 255. 16% of the total student opt for the commerce. 16% of 3,000. Clear? Here, 16% of what? Total student. Clear? Now, or for commerce 16%, which is equal to 480. And percentage of girls who opt for the commerce 17%. Now the 17% of 1700, which is equal to 289. And 480 minus 289, which is equal to 191. Next one. 19% of the total student opt for fine arts. 19%. 19% of what? 3000, which is equal to 570. Fine arts. And the number and the percentage of girls who opt for the fine arts 20%. 20% of 1700, which is equal to 340. And after that subtraction, we will get 0, 3, 230. So 230 boys and 340 girls. Now, this is the chart. Getting? So here we calculate number of girls, boys in different branches. Non-medical, medical, commerce, art, and fine arts. Clear? Now we will try this. The question: how many girls have opt for non-medical? Non-medical. First one, girls are 510. So 510 girls are opt for, select for non-medical. Clear? Here we have distributed boys and girls in different parts. Different branches, different boys and girls. Girls have outnumbered boys in fine arts. There, the last one is fine arts. How many girls in fine arts are more than the boys? That's the percentage of total number of boys in fine arts. The number of girls is 340. And boys is 230. It will be a 110 more girls in fine arts. In percentage, 110, and in denominator, what value we will take? 230 or 340? It's very important. Now, we are comparing how many girls are more or less with respect to boys. So here we are comparing 340. It will be a more or less from 230. It upon 230 into 100. When we solve it, here we will get 47.82%. Which of the following courses have been opt for the maximum number of boys? So maximum number of boys, which is 495. Which of the following courses have been opt for maximum number of boys? So maximum number of boys is art. Which of the following courses have been opt for minimum number of boys? So minimum number of boys is 144. Is medical. What's the ratio among boys and girls in non-medical? Here's a non-medical. Boys are 240 and girls are 510. So the ratio is 240 upon 510 divided by 3, 8, 70. So the ratio will be 8 upon 70. Now, so today we solve the mathematical question of CLAT examination. So now the questions are very easy. First of all, you have to understand all the paragraph and make a chart like that, a diagram. After that, you can easily solve the question. Question is very simple, not tough. But we have to understand how we will solve these type of questions. For today, thank you so much for watching my video. In the next video, we will come for the another video. Clear? For today, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.